Hey YouTube!
How are y'all doing today?
In today's episode, we spend the day at our resort and talk about what there is to do.
We couldn't leave Orlando without hitting some roller coasters first, so we take you on an adventure before leaving for Clearwater Beach.
If you happen to like our videos, hit that subscribe button and join us on all of our travels.
Welcome to the Wyndham Bonnet Creek Resort, located at 9560 Via Encinas and is conveniently adjacent to Walt Disney World.
To enter our resort, you must drive under the Walt Disney World main gate, which makes this a hot spot to watch their fireworks at night.
We spend a full day relaxing and enjoying all the resort has to offer.
As we enjoy our day here in the sun, our Orlando vacation getaway will surely be one to remember with the superior amenities that make this resort truly unique.
You can cool off in one of the 5 outdoor swimming pools or cruise down one of the 2 lazy rivers.
If you happen to have children, the kids will love the 2 water features, as one of the pools has a water slide with a pirate ship, while the lazy river has water cannons.
The resort also includes a fitness center, a playground, a game room, an arcade, beach volleyball, miniature golf, a private lake, and propane grills you are free to cook on.
Now here's that water slide we mentioned before. It is pretty fast and it was pitch black inside. But don't let that scare you, because this was a lot of fun.
We totally had a great day just enjoying our resort.
You can even feed these large koi fish roaming around the lake. There is fish food for purchase and we recommend you try this for yourselves, as it was a lot of fun.
The next day we pack our bags, check out of our resort, and hit the road.
Only 10 minutes away, we make a turn and we enter the front gate of Universal Studios. We are here to ride a Hollywood blockbuster before we hit the road and leave Orlando behind.
So we buy tickets and enter Universal's Island of Adventures theme park.
We walk right by the children's area and head straight for the roller coasters. The first ride we go on is the Incredible Hulk, which opened on May 28th of 1999. This roller coaster can accelerate up to 40 miles per hour in about 2 seconds and reaches a top speed of 67 miles per hour. You will experience 7 inversions over the course of this 3,800 foot ride, leaving you with either a smile from ear to ear or feeling a bit nauseous.
A must-do on anybody's roller coaster bucket list. Make sure you check this one out. Next, we make our way to Hogsmeade, a part of Harry Potter World.
This place was packed with people and all things related to the Harry Potter series.
We didn't come here just to look around though. We came here to ride the Dragon Challenge.
Sadly, this ride is now closed and is scheduled to be replaced with another ride opening in 2019. However, it was pretty exciting as it ran 2 coasters side by side until the injury reports started to pile up. Somebody even lost an eye.
The day is almost over, but we are not leaving until we hit that one classic ride still operating today, Jurassic Park.
We'll skip over most of the ride as you should really experience it for yourselves.
What we will do is show you the main reason for coming here today.
None other than the Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Hands down, this was a really fun day, but it's getting late and it's time to hit the road and say goodbye to Orlando as we make our way to Clearwater Beach, located on the Gulf of Mexico.
If you are enjoying our videos, let us know by hitting that like button.
We arrive in Clearwater and check into the Holiday Inn located at 521 South Gulfview Boulevard.
Located directly on the Gulf of Mexico, where beautiful sunsets and dolphin sightings are common, you will discover all that Clearwater Beach has to offer.
In the heart of everything, you are within walking distance of the white sands of Clearwater Beach and Pier 60.
You can also enjoy the nightly sunset celebrations, as well as enjoy a dining adventure at Jimmy's Fish House with nightly entertainment.
You panic. Hey.
Here we are at Jimmy's Fish House
In Clearwater.
in Clearwater Beach.
It's currently 22 degrees.
The food here just looks amazing.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already to join us on all of our adventures.
Coming up in episode 3,
We spend the night at Jimmy's enjoying the entertainment and then take you on a jet ski the next morning.
now this was our first time together on one of these, and I will tell you all the truth. This was not only a lot of fun, but it was also a great way to cure both of our hangovers.
If you liked this video, leave us a like as it means a lot to the both of us, and join us on the next episode as we ride with dolphins and enjoy our time in Clearwater. It's already recording! Oh my god! That is so cool! Look at them!
Will they follow us?
I don't know, they're going out there. See them?
Yeah.
That's amazing! I've never seen dolphins before.
Me neither. So until then, guys, see ya.